Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today I thought it wise to show you how to do singles with crochet extension. So I have divided the hair into portions, equal portions, square, depending on what you want. You can do it triangular, depends on you, and held it underneath with a rubber band. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fit your extension under the rubber band. Look at what I am doing. And when you do that, do not forget to lock the head of the pin before bringing it out the other side. So all you need to do is to take the whole length of the extension and the hair, and then you pass it through that. And when you do that, all you have to do is to twist the extension with the hair on the same direction where the extension has been twisted. So if you look at this one, I am twisting the hair. I'm going to be twisting the hair from my left to my right hand, because that is the same way the extension was twisted. If it was twisted to the left, I will be twisting it to the left as well. So you need to follow the orientation of the extension. So what I did, I cut this hair into portion, held it with rubber band, and twisted the hair separately. And now I am just using the extension to fit underneath, and in the end I will take the twisted hair and twist it along with the extension. So my name is Calista Star Beauty. If you are new to this channel, I do little tips like this, and I do head wrap tutorials on weekly basis. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go right ahead and touch the red subscribe button and touch the notification bell as well, so that you will get the alert as soon as I drop a video. Thank you so much for always coming. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always being there. I hope you've been able to learn little tips on this channel. Do not forget to share my videos to your family and friends, and do not forget to leave a comment for me. Thank you so much for always coming around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video. Do not forget to drop a comment, and do not forget to share. Look at that. If you like it, guys, give a thumbs up. Let me know that you are enjoying this video. Thank you. And considering that my client has never done this before, she wasn't too sure of what she was going to get. So I was waiting anxiously to see her reaction at the end of it. Thank God she loved it. She really loved it. She enjoyed the hair, and coupled with the fact that it was not heavy, it's so light. Crochet extensions are always very light. She enjoyed it, and she promised to always do this on her hair. So thank you once again for watching my video till the end. Bye bye.